third gen K-pop hits different, no? At hindi dahil tumanda tayo. I reject that allegation. I was reminded of this because I was able to attend the Mamamoo concert sa Araneta. And after watching them perform live again, I realized yung third gen K-pop, no, they did not just give us great songs. It gave us performers, no, that can take over the whole stage and make it look, no, na para bang nilalaro lang tayo, no? Ang ganda! And let me just put it out there, no, yung mga mumus, sobrang ganda! Maayos sa pila, no? Baliw sa soundcheck!
Talagang yung Manilang the best.
Tapos bawat tingin mo, may nagbibigay ng photo cards, posters, at handmade merch, no? Ang ganda!
Kumusta kayo?
You know, third gen K-pop gave us groups that had to become complete entertainers. And Mamamoo is one of the strongest examples of that. Kasi hindi mo rin talaga alam, no? Ano ba talaga yung pinunta mo dito? Ano ba to, no? Vocal masterclass? Comedy bar? Pero ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit special ang concert na to is not just because of the production. It was how comfortable they were inside it. Ilang beses pa silang bumaba sa stage para kumanta at mag-interact sa crowd. Sinong gumagawa noon? And somehow, no, kahit libo-libo yung tao, the concert still felt personal. That is chemistry, no? That is trust! Years, no, of knowing how to turn the audience to be part of the show, no? Ang ganda! Honestly, may part sa akin before the concert, napaisip ako, mapupuno pa kaya nila ang Araneta? Kasi nga pinapagyo, and let's be honest, you guys, ang dami ng bagong K-pop group. Serbe, sold out.
Salamat sa pagpunta.
Buong Araneta, no? Puno ng mubongs. Sumisigaw, no? Kumakanta. At collectively, no? Iniisip, paano ba ako uwi mamaya? Pero mamaya na lang, no? May bumibirit pa. Ang ganda! Alam niyo, Mamamoo did not make me miss the peak of third gen K-pop. They made me realize na ang best performers never stop being excellent. Kasi yung mga groups like Mamamoo, they can walk into a sold-out arena, turn their mics on, and prove to everyone why they lasted this long. Alam niyo, Mamamoo forever! Mga mare, no? Bumalik kayo agad, ha? Nag-VIP na ako this time. Sa susunod, no? Baka buong credit limit ko na may sariling light stick, no? Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.